Very good afternoon to all my students. Today I, Tarun sir, your English trainer, is going to guide you how can you improve your English writing skills. It's a very big question. Reason why? Because in today's date, what has come into notice that students score full marks in the subjects like science, mathematics and all. But when it comes to English, specifically writing section, they score less. So how you can improve this writing section? The first point, it's rather a tip. You already know that all the books are in English, but I have seen 70% of the students, they have a habit of memorizing the answers of any subject. Biology, SST, other subjects, even physics, chemistry also has theory part. So I have seen that they memorize, they don't write. So if you want to improve your writing skills in each and every subject, make this a hobby or make this as a practice, that you write and then you memorize. This will really improve your writing skills. Each and every answer. I know it's time taking. Invest your time. What else you have to do rather than studies? So like for example, I'll take, see, English, in English you will have to do it. For example, if I talk about grade 9, 10, 11 and 12, there are long answers, short answers and all. So don't just memorize it. Don't just read the answers. Okay, fine, I've got it. I'll take the example of The Merchant of Venice. Now in case if you're writing an answer, so what students do is that while studying The Merchant of Venice, they will only read it. They will never write. Write down the summary of different scenes on your own. This is how you will come up with grammatical mistakes. Once you again read it from your book, you will find the mistakes on your own. You don't require any teacher to check it. And if you are in case studying from a teacher, so obviously you can get it checked by him or her. So number one, excluding mathematics, because mathematics is a bit calculative subject. In all the remaining subjects, you can start writing and practice your subject. Reason why? Because books can never make mistakes. So once you are reading an answer and then writing it, so you are also memorizing it. There are various things that you will come across. Use of prepositions, though it is not an English subject, but still you will read and you will write the same thing that is mentioned in the book. So that is my first tip. Second tip, what you can do is that write long answers of English specifically. Maintain a fair copy and start writing the answers and start writing the summary. For example, if there is a chapter in the name of A Face in the Dark, or there is a chapter in the name of the Chinese statue, just taking an example, lost lesson, last lesson, lost spring, anything. So what you can do is that just start writing down the summary. First read it, understand it from your teacher, and then write it in your own words. Don't just leave it for reading part. You will never be in a position to then improve your writing skills like this. Okay, fine. This is related to curriculum, these two tips. Now, third thing what you got to do that can improve your writing skills. First, even I used to consider this as a very casual activity, but believe me, purchase a slam book from a brand, either online or from Archie's or something like that. The slam book that these people give, my God, the questions are standardized. Like for example, they will question you, what are your pet peeves? I would like to repeat it. What are your pet peeves? You won't believe 80% English medium students, more than 80% students, they will start searching it on Google, that what are pet peeves. So this is what I want you to do. That once you see that question, what are your pet peeves, then you will go and access Google. And in accessing Google, you will come across 2 to 3 websites then. This is how that reading practice, the more you read, the better you will write. So purchase a slam book or maintain a slam book of your own. exchange it with your friends. Again, the same thing, I request you people, don't consider this as a social networking kind of an activity. Consider it as a practice, as a hobby. Which is your favorite movie? Write it. There should be reason. I question the students that which is your favorite movie? They'll just say that my favorite movie is Lagan. And they don't know how to describe it. So, hold your pen. Then start writing. Make mistakes, not a problem. If you have any senior with you, if you are in touch with your seniors, if you are in touch with your English teachers, then get it checked by them. So this is how also you can improve your writing skills. And I'll not burden you with many points. The fourth tip is that imagine a story and keep writing it. Any story. Behave like a producer or a director of a movie. For example, in case if I close my eyes, I'll think of something. If, for example, if a director has asked me to provide him with a script, I know it's funny, but in case, just imagine, if he has asked me to provide him with a script of any movie, so what script you would be writing? So, jot it down, note down the points, make a good paragraph, though he has not really asked you to do so. But what you got to do is that, do it for your own sake. Imaginative, be virtual. So these are the 4 tips how you can improve your writing skills. Students, if you need any guidance or any topics from Tarun sir, yes, I am Tarun sir, your English trainer. I can help you with maximum topics. I can help you even with the data regarding those topics. Whether it is any story, any movie, any essay, any report, you can contact me at 9839305466. Subscribe my channel, Desire Career Point. I keep on posting my videos on YouTube. Thank you so much.